Hello guys, thank you for watching my videos. So today I want to show you how to use this multi-code remote control. It's a single transmitter, and it's number 3089, and it comes with Visor, which metal piece like this. So what you do, you need to take this Visor and insert on the side under the cap and twist it like this. Once you twist it, the cap will open and you just lift it up. Then you take something pointing like a pen or screwdriver or something like toothpick and change the code. The matching code to your garage door opener or receiver already. So make sure you use the switch up or down the same code settings as the receiver or opener you have. Then you put the cap on top. Don't try to slide it, just push it down. All right, that's all. And once you close it, you're ready to go. Thank you for liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your day.